Here is how to remove payment methods from the Play Store. So let's get started. First, open the Play Store. After that, ensure you've signed in with the account from which you want to remove the payment methods. So you can see that on the top right. And you can change the account from here if you want to. Then the next step is to click on Payments and Subscriptions that's written here and select the first option, Payment Methods. So over here you can see all of the payment methods which are linked to this account. And you can click on View All to see all of them. But now if you want to remove some of them, scroll down and you'll find this option, More Payment Settings. So click on this. This will take you to a page in your browser. And again, if you scroll, you can see all of your payment methods. Now let's say I want to remove this payment method over here. All I have to do is click on Remove that's written below it. Then click on Remove again. And now it's gone. So if you scroll through this list, you won't see it. And one thing to note, that if your payment method is linked to a subscription, you'll have to add another card before removing it. I'll give you an example. So this card is linked to 2 subscriptions. So if I click on Remove, then it isn't as simple. I first need to choose a new payment method. So I have these options. So this card is used for 2 subscriptions. And if I want to remove this card, I'll first have to add a new payment method and only then I can remove this. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.